Are you looking for that perfect home that blends lifestyle and income potential? This rare find near Owen Sound offers a beautifully renovated 3-bedroom bungalow, a self-contained in-law apartment, and a fully outfitted commercial workshop, all on 1.57 acres with a pond and an in-ground pool. This is a unique opportunity to live, work, and invest, all on one stunning rural property. Let's head inside and check out our top 5 reasons why you'll want to make this house your home. Number 5, location with flexibility. Situated just north of Springmount and minutes to Owen Sound, this property offers quick access to city amenities while still delivering countryside tranquility. With highway frontage and a spacious driveway, it's ideal for entrepreneurs, tradespeople, or anyone craving space and freedom. Number 4, modernized family home. The main residence features a stone exterior, a brand new open concept kitchen with bright white ceiling height cabinetry, quartz countertops and backsplash, living and dining areas, 3 bright bedrooms, plus a 5-piece bath with double sinks, soaker tub, and shower. A large island and picture windows make the space perfect for family gatherings or quiet country living. Number 3, bonus in-law apartment. Attached to the main home, the in-law suite includes a kitchen, living room, 4-piece bath with a shower, a bedroom, and a private deck walkout, offering potential as a short or long-term rental. Number 2, commercial workshop plus office. A fully insulated and renovated 2,200 square foot detached commercial space includes 2 private offices, a showroom-style reception area, storage, and a large open bay workshop. With the previous commercial tenant having leased for $2,500 a month, this space is great for business or for your own creative venture. Number 1, private outdoor paradise. The backyard is built for enjoyment with an in-ground pool, large patio, a gazebo, and even a picturesque pond. Mature trees and wide open skies make it feel like a private resort, the ultimate weekend at-home retreat. Thanks for joining us today. If you'd like to learn more about this home, check out the link below. Or if you'd like to learn about our fabulous other listings, be sure to follow us on social media. From the Kostecki Real Estate Group, I'm Dre, and have a nice day.